Hello everyone, and welcome back to the review. My name's Janae, and we're going to do a post review on this beautiful young lady in this picture. But before we get started, we're going to pause briefly for this intro, and we will be right back. Hi everyone, again this is Janae, and thank you for spending some time with me this evening and with the review. We're going to do a post review on this beautiful young lady in this picture. This is called Princess Peacock. I purchased this from the Huacan Factory Store. It's a 40 by 50 round partial special drill. I ordered it on March 28th. I received it on April 18th. And it left the factory actually on April 2nd. This is a beautiful, beautiful painting. I had the best time putting this together. It took me maybe 3 or 4 days, give or take, but it is gorgeous. And it has all the special shiny beads. It's got some crystal beads to it. Then you got your special shaped ones here. Just a beautiful, fun picture. I would highly, highly recommend you getting this. I paid $11.12, and I purchased this during the AliExpress anniversary sale. I had absolutely no issues with this canvas, no issues with the drills, and tons of leftovers. So the only regret that I have, and this is my mistake, not Huacan's, my mistake, the only regret that I have is I did spray this. I sealed it, and unfortunately it seems to have done a little bit of discoloration with some of the beads, but I mean, I could be wrong. It could be just the lighting that I have here. But that's my fault. That is not Huacan's. Okay, so this is going to be a really quick video. That's basically all I have. So I'm going to rate it. Huacan has always been very, very good for me. So my overall initial purchase for this picture is going to be a 5. The price was right. Everything was perfect, you know, with Huacan. Again, the canvas, no issues, no rivers, no bubbling, nothing. So the canvas is going to get a 5. The drills were excellent. No staticky drills, no nubs, no problems with the drills whatsoever. So the drills will get a 5 as well. And my overall experience with this, I loved working on this picture. And it will also get a 5. So 20 out of 20 for this picture, again, came from Huacan Factory Store. This is called the Princess Peacock. It's a special shape round partial, 40 by 50. I paid $11.12 and highly recommend getting this picture. So by saying that, we're going to end it there. So if this is evening time for you, have a restful evening. If this is afternoon for you, have an awesome rest of your afternoon. If this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate that. If you didn't like the video, it's okay to give it that thumbs down, but I would really appreciate it if you let me know what you didn't like about the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you with the family. So again, my name's Janae, and thank you so much for watching the review.